Hello, I am just making sure it's recording, and it looks like it is recording. It is Tina Clark, computer teacher, and today is June 22nd, 2020. Today we are going to start talking about a holiday that's coming up called the 4th of July, or you can also call it Independence Day. So let's learn about that. And that's coming up really soon. The 4th of July, and look at that really cool American flag. July 4th is Independence Day. We celebrate America's birthday on Independence Day. And each of you have a birthday, and so does our country. The United States of America has a birthday, and we're going to learn about that. So, here is the July 2020 calendar. We are not in July yet at the making of this video, but I still would like you to pause the video if you need to, and I want you to point to Independence Day on this calendar. Where is that holiday we're talking about? You can pause it and point to it. I am going to go ahead and show you. July 4th, or Independence Day, is right here. Of course, it's on July 4th. It is the first Saturday this year in July. Sometimes the 4th of July lands on a different day of the week. This year in 2020, it lands on a Saturday. So July 4th, 2020 is on Saturday. Well, here is the history of the 4th of July, or Independence Day. A long time ago, America was only 13 colonies, and there is a map of the colonies. Before the 50 states, there were 13 colonies, and we talk about that at Thanksgiving time, how the Pilgrims came over from England on that big ship, and they established the colonies. It was hard work, and it took a lot of time, but there they are. There's a map of the first 13 colonies. Well, at the time, England still wanted to rule the colonies, but the colonies wanted to be free from England. Many important men wrote the Declaration of Independence so that the colonies could be free. So yeah, the government and the people living in the colonies, they wanted to be their own boss. They did not want England to be the boss of them anymore. And there's a video I want you to watch. I will not play much of it because, again, it's choppy in my screen capture program. So make sure to watch this video on your own. I will have questions about the video, so please make sure to watch it. The link to this video will be included in the description of the video I'm making. I will play just a little bit.
The 4th of July, or Independence Day, is a fun summer holiday. A day when you may see lots of flags, parades, and fireworks. But have you ever wondered what the celebration is about?
Okay, I'm pausing it because I want you to watch the video on your own. It will play back much better. But make sure to watch it. And now we're going to go back to the PowerPoint. And here are some questions that go along with the video. So make sure that you've watched the whole video that I just got into. And we're going to skip this page here, because we've already done it. Here's the first question. What is, let's go back. There. What is the name of the paper that was signed that said that the colonies were free from England's rule? What was that paper called? Was it called the Declaration of Iowa? Or on the right, was it called the Declaration of Independence? You can pause the video to give your answer. The name of the paper that was signed that said that the colonies were free from England's rule. Well, here comes the answer. It is called the Declaration of Independence. All those men got together and they wrote those words, and back then they did not have computers, so they had to handwrite those words with a pen and sign it. Their names are signed on it, and there's a lot of words there, but it says that we are free from England's rule. Here's the next question. The Declaration of Independence says that all men are created equal. What does equal mean? On the left, does it mean that all people have the same rights to life, freedom, and the opportunity to be happy? Or does equal mean on the right that we should use equal sweetener in our coffee? There's the word equal. Should we use equal sweetener in our coffee? Is that what equal means when they talk about the Declaration of Independence? Well, let's find out the answer here. The answer is equal. When they're talking about equal in the Declaration of Independence, equal means that all people have the same rights to life, freedom, and the opportunity to be happy. So you have that right, and I have that right. All your family does, and friends. And that's part of the Declaration of Independence. So members of Congress signed that paper, the Declaration of Independence, on July 4th, 1776. That was a long time ago. This said that the colonies were free from England. I'm going to read this page, but we won't get into this part until next time. On July 8th, 1776, the Liberty Bell rang, and the Declaration of Independence was read aloud to the people, and they all cheered. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. So I want to make sure that you watch the Declaration of Independence video. And I will stop the video for today. We will do more about Independence Day or the 4th of July in the next video. Talk to you next time.